You probably noticed I think about AI a lot, but the other day I was reading this article from Hrefs, just doing some casual research, and one stat absolutely stopped me cold. Now I expected to skim, instead I had to ask myself, am I falling behind? So here's what hit me. 74% of all new web content is now created with AI. Only 26% is fully human. Now let that sink in. It's not just automation around the edges. 87% of marketers are using AI to create content. And the ones who do, they're publishing 42% more content every month than those who don't. Now, I'm not saying more content is always better, but I know this. More gets you faster feedback loops, greater reach, more opportunities for compounding, and clearer signals about what actually resonates with your audience. So I kept reading. Turns out human written content costs 4.7 times more than AI assisted content. 51% of companies are increasing their AI budgets, and 84%, they don't even disclose when content is AI assisted. So here's the truth. AI isn't the edge anymore. It's the standard. But here's the wild part. Most marketers are still using AI like a fancy search engine. Basic prompts, basic output, copy, paste, post. And that's the gap. That's the opportunity. The people really winning right now, they treat AI like a creative partner, a strategist, an editor, even a second brain. They're not cutting corners, they're accelerating. They're thinking faster, iterating smarter, and creating better. So if you're in content creation or marketing, the question isn't, should I use AI? It's, am I using it well enough to stay ahead? And honestly, it's a question I keep asking myself, because this wave, it's not slowing down. So stay sharp, stay curious, and don't just create, elevate.